Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 16th of April, and first of all, national news. IMD predicted this year seasonal rainfall likely to be above normal. India's WPI inflation declined to 2.05% in March 2025. PM Modi laid foundation stone dedicated development project worth 10,000 crore rupees in Haryana. Constitution has stood test of time, made India strong and stable. Justice B.R. Gavai. India's first waves anime and manga contest to begin in Bengaluru. India's rooftop solar energy capacity to reach 25 to 30 gigawatt by financial year 2026 to 27. And now some international news. Many parts of Congo reeling under heavy rains and floods. India at UN celebrated birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Rome to host new round of US-Iran nuclear talks, Italian Foreign Minister. NASA sacked Indian origin DEI chief Neil Rajendra after US President Trump's executive order. Now sports news. Magnus Carlsen clinched freestyle chess Grand Slam 2025. Dhoni became first keeper to complete 200 dismissals in IPL history. And business related news. Oil prices down after IEA cut demand. SBI Bank of India cut loan rates benefiting borrowers. Rupee strong against US dollar by 28 paise. India US trade to be $500 billion by 2030, Commerce and Industry Secretary said. And that's all in news. Thank you.